People sit in meditation and they say, I don't need a master, I don't need a guru. And I'm sitting in meditation. After 1 hour, 2 hours, I'm feeling so beautiful. The body is light and it's stress-free, it's fresh, I am good. Even after 30 years, you are going to feel the same thing. What is happening? You are sitting in meditation, but the direction is not there. Here, your job is not to feel good or stress-free. Your job is to go through the path and realize the source. That is your purpose. You're not here to become comfortable. Make that very clear. You have reincarnated in human life not to get comfortable with you, trying to make comfortable environment, light up a fireplace and put the TV on and have a beer in your hand and say, my life is so beautiful. You are not here for that. Remember that. Comfort is death. So whenever you are trying to create comfort around you, the universe will nudge you, send you challenge and trying to remind you, hey, wake up. You're not here for this. You can, your choice, one day you are going to die and then that's it. The purpose is not solved there. You haven't switched on your software.